everyone, welcome back in another sheet metal workshop video. In this video we're going to show you how to make a metal square top. And I have already made some examples. I have here one, you see, it's been complete folded, so it should be also waterproof. You can put in water or oil or whatever you want. And I have here different sizes, so this one is very popular for those pizza guys who are making pizzas. It's 60 centimeter by 40 centimeter and 20 meter high, and also all edges are closed. So you see here it's folded, the edges are closed, so no water is coming out when it's in here. And I have here also a bigger one, for example. This one is 800 by 480 millimeters high. Also, all edges are closed. It's made out of one piece, so no welding, nothing. And well, that is what the video is about. And we're going to make this one. So this is one, the middle size one. And we have here 50 high, 20 high, and 80 high. And I was thinking, for example, to make this one same again in this video, and that is what it's all about. So I will hope you will enjoy the video and also learn something, because I like to show my knowledge. That's the reason why I do this. Okay, now this is also 60 by 40. That means it's 50 millimeters high. So 50 millimeter high, and we have here also a 15 millimeter 50 high and 15 millimeter an overlap, just for how you say that, stabilization of the top. So that means we're going to start. So I'm going to put here in, I have here a piece of metal, and this is aluminium. So it's got a thickness of, let me see, it's got a thickness of 0.6363 millimeters, 6.2. It's not so thick, so 0.6. Should be 0.6 millimeter. Okay, well, let's get started. Now, what we're going to do is, first I'm going to make here, like here, I'm gonna scrap here this 50 millimeters and then this 50. That means I'm going to use here this one, the 50 millimeter plus 50, it's 65, and the 65 here. Okay, now all four sides. So 15 here, 15, and now we're going to take here 65, 65, Okay, now we have scratched those sizes. So the next thing what we're going to do is we're going to cut out exactly here those edges. All four edges we're going to cut out. Okay, and done. Now we have cut out all four sides, and the next thing what we're going to do is we're gonna turn the metal, and first what we're going to do is to fold here this 50 millimeters 180 degree. So therefore here I'm just gonna squeeze it. See, it's exactly here 15. So and then I'm gonna squeeze. So we're going to do the long side first. So now we have folded here over, just like this one, you see, it's folded. That's what we're doing. Now the next thing is, what we're going to do is, we need here, for the other side, folding exactly this one, or no, it's here, this one we need. So I'm gonna just give it a kink. Just like this here. Same thing we're going to do on the other side. Just a little kink. And now I'm gonna turn this and I'm gonna fold the shorter side 90 degree. Same thing on the other side. So it's very important in what sequence you fold the metal. So now here also 90 degree. Okay, so now it looks like this, and the next thing what we're going to do is we're going to need a folding tool, the folding pliers. So these are the folding pliers. These are actually, well, I have to say self-made, you know. It's welded here. Wait a minute. So this one is exactly how much we have here. It's 150 millimeter, and it's 22 millimeter wide. So it's got here an edge of 45 degrees. Okay, so there are different types. So this is an original one. You can also fold with this one, but this one is a self-made, and we're going to use this one. And what we're going to do is now, because that is why we have folded here, so we're just gonna take it here in the edge, exactly in a diagonal, like here, and then squeeze here, see? Well, and that is what we're going to do in all four corners. So we're going to fold it by hand. Same thing here. See? And then also here a little bit, correct it. Okay, well, this is very thin material, it's 0.6 millimeter. But it's also possible with other metals. So, like I said, all four corners. Okay. So one corner, all four corners done. Okay, now the next thing is going to bend it. So I'm gonna so going 90°. Same thing we're going to do on the other side. Just gonna hold it a little bit because if you bend it straight away, it could leave tracks. So okay, now we're gonna check those edges. You can see here, there's a difference, it's not equal. So what we're going to do is, we're again gonna take this one here, put it here in the middle. See? And then we're gonna take a hammer, for example, a wooden hammer. See? And that's the same thing we're going to repeat on every corner. So see here also. So once you have done that, now we can squeeze it. Just gonna squeeze it like this here, see? And I'm making it here. Also the other side. Well, you need, of course, for this kind of a job, you need an extra folding machine to do this kind of stuff. It's not, it's a segment, so I can take this out if I want. So once we have squeezed all the 4 sizes, now the only thing what is left is the wooden hammer. Now it's very important because it's aluminium, and sometimes that aluminium, it could happen when you fold it, it breaks here, and when it breaks it's not anymore waterproof. So that is very important to check this out. Okay, now, so now we're gonna hammer this one. All the edges we're going to hammer. This one also. Once we did that, now we're going to fold this edge over and squeeze it. So see? Looks like this now. Same thing we're going to do with the other side. Check it out. Okay, so now it looks like this. So the next thing what we're going to do is we're going to hammer this a little bit down. And now we're going to squeeze it. See, well, it's squeezed. Same thing we're going to do with the other side. You can also squeeze it here. Okay, well, that is done. That is the top. And now we're going to check out here. Let's see, it's closed. The edges. And now we're going to check out if it is waterproof. So let's do this straight away. So I'm just gonna put in here some water. And now we're going to check every corner, you see here. It's not coming out everything, so corner number 2, it's not dropping any water, so it is waterproof. Corner number 4. The last one. Okay, well guys, that is the square metal tube. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Keep it up.